Hey all, Chris Bassett here, and I'm going to show you how to make ranch chicken chili burritos. They're high in protein and low on cost. Let's get into it. I like to meal prep in bulk, so I'm going to be using my slow cooker Crockpot to make these burritos. Grab yourself 3 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, a red onion, pinto beans, black beans, Rotel diced tomatoes with green chilies, the diced tomatoes with lime juice, Fiesta blend, cheese, and tortillas. Also, don't forget chili powder and ranch seasoning. I made a list so you can screenshot if needed. I like to start off by opening up my chicken and then cleaning it. So I have it near the sink. I like to wash it. Also, chicken thighs have a little bit of extra fat on them. So if the fat's too much, just go ahead and pick it off. I have a garbage disposal, so I throw the fat down the sink. You can just throw it in the garbage though. I like to smash all the chicken thighs in my crock pot and arrange them so they fit nice. Then for my red onion, I cut the top and the bottom off, peel off all the gross spots, wash it, and then dice it. So slice it up into slivers, throw away the bad parts, and then chop it into chunks and go ahead and throw it in the crock pot. Next, you want to make sure your beans are clean. So grab a strainer, dump the beans into the strainer, and then wash them thoroughly. When they're clean, go ahead and dump them in the crock pot. Next, go ahead and add your chili powder and your ranch powder. I like to add a little bit of extra chili powder because why is it so spicy? Then go ahead and grab all your tomato products, a can opener, and dump all your tomato stuff inside. When you're done with that, then go ahead and give it a good shake and then set it in the crock pot. You want it on high for 4 hours. I like to give it a good stir, make sure all the ingredients are mixed up. The chicken should easily shred if it's cooked thoroughly. You may also consider draining it if it's a little juicy. Go ahead and grab yourself a tortilla, slap that baby in there, and then pile on the cheese. Amazing, delicious. Thank me later. You go ahead and freeze the leftovers. I have 10 extra burritos in my freezer that keep for about a week. Check out another video over here. I've got Amazon links down in the description. Check out those links. If you use them, no extra cost to you, you can help support. I really appreciate it. Any other questions or comments, put below. Thanks.